Car also has a special pigment in the paint, so it color changes in different lights. As you can see, under yellow light, the car turns a different color. So at nighttime, the car will be a different color than in the daytime. Brighter light, it'll be a different color. Lights on, full colors back.
Tell me about it, Mr. Dodge.
1975 Dodge Dart.
Yes.
And the bumpers have been shaved, wrenched in. There used to be a filler panel on the bumpers. They've all been sucked in to give it a cleaner look. All the chrome's been cleaned up. It's got a 408 stroker in it, with SGI and PTI set up in the transmission.
Yes.
All the marker lights have been shaved off. No side marker lights. Got almost like a couple hundred of these tail panels on it. They're made for Kington Duster. Not many of them around. Rear bumper was French in, sucked in as well. Gas tank filler has been removed from the side, put in the trunk, as well as marker lights. Seats have been changed.
Wow.
Very plush and extended back for the driver or long-legged person.
Yes. 1974.
75.
No, 75.
It has race gauges. Got
Only the
red
rich people can understand this.
goes from column onto the floor.
Yes.
All the interior panels have been cleaned up. All the chrome is usually a dingy type looking flat chrome, more like the rim looking, more like the looks of the rims.
Yes.
But they've been all shined up. Everything's been polished up. All the chrome. Still waiting for a couple of clips on the windshield.
Okay.
Chrome to put on. Boy, that's not on. Still have to put the wiper blades on.
The wiper blades. Okay. Oh my gosh. Honey, you did a good job. I'm so proud of you. Flawless. Dodge! Because we are the Dodges.
In the paint, you can see me.
Yes.
Crystal clear, smooth as glass.
Yes. Very. beautiful. Woohoo! OMG.
3-inch exhaust system all over the back. Very large cam trim. Exhaust pipes have been hidden. They are underneath. They need to become.
Yes. You did a good job, honey.
That's the 75.
Yes, 75 Dodge Duster?
Dart.
Dart.
Actually called Dart Sport.
Dart Sport. So, mo ni siya ang sports car sa 1974.
75.
No, 7.
And we'll be going to the client in a couple days.
Yes! My comare, my friend.
They're very excited.
Yes, they're very excited. Oh my gosh. I love the color.
A 5-year restoration, and it was done in a little over a year and a half.
Yes. Supposed to be a 5-year restoration, but he did it for over a year. Ay mura ba ya kag maghimo og new nga car?
90% of the work was done by myself.
Yes. It's pretty. Awesome. Shiny. So our next project, honey, is that one, right? That. I want that. That.
One of them.
One of them.
Got lots of different projects.
Yes. And then that one is his building. We're gonna put all the cars there. Soon I'm gonna feature our vintage. You know that mobile home?
Yes.
I'm gonna feature that one. We have lots of toys here. So the property is a mess, but this is our life. Yeah, we have so much stuff
Do
here.
another video.
Okay, okay. The car.
Trunk's been re-cleaned up. There's a brand new trunk liner in it. Spare tire goes underneath of here.
The spare tires goes there. Okay.
Like I said earlier, the trunk, the gas tank filler was shaved off of the side of the car and
Yes.
moved into the trunk.
Yes.
As a drag racing feature. Also, the battery has been removed and pulled into the rear of the car for weight transfer and convenience. Trunk is all clean and fancy. New seals all the way around the car. New rubber seals. Eventually, this will get a different style of filler neck onto it, where it can be a race style over here.
It's really pretty. Oh my gosh.
The color on the car is called Plum Crazy Purple.
Plum Crazy Purple. Okay.
It's almost ready to go.
It's ready to go. Okay.
A couple days, it will go to the plant.
Okay. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much.